Hi, we welcome you to Mask, the platform where we help you to understand and choose your future wisely. Today we will talk about web development. You may have used a lot of websites, or you may also know how to design a website, but you are wondering how to make a website functional and how to add some interactive functionalities to your website like the one you are in and make a great living from it. As a web developer, you will be responsible for making the website pixel perfect as in the design. You also have to make sure that your website is responsive and mobile friendly. Means it has to work on desktop, tablet, mobile and any other device. As a web developer, you also have to learn programming languages and some web designing languages. According to Upwork, first number is web designing, but after that there is WordPress, and after that there is web programming, and after that there is PHP, HTML, CSS, and the list goes on and on. And these are the top 10 list of Upwork as a marketplace freelancing skills. But that's not the end of the world. You can watch our other introductions about the skills and you can get better understanding what to choose for your future. Remember, choose one skill to grow and you will grow like a pro. Above all that, you will be wondering how I can learn web development. Well, Mask got your back. In our Mask platform, we have web development courses taught by masters of their field. We also have assets and resources that will help you in your development career. You will get inspired from all the web developers around the world, and you can talk face to face with the web developer expert who will help you to better understand what to choose for your future and how to grow in your web development career. So that's it for web development. See you in the next one.